We've just received an update in the ongoing NEET row. Students and a few parents have met with the Education Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, who has been heading out at the opposition party. So that's the latest news coming in, that students have met with Dharmendra Pradhan, who has just only recently taken over the Education Department.
क्या बात हुई है? उन्होंने कहा है कि हाँ, आपकी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को रिजॉल्व किया जाएगा, हम एनटीए पे भी पूरी कार्रवाई करेंगे और जितना जल्दी हो सकेगा फैसला सुप्रीम कोर्ट जो भी कहेगा हम उसको पूरी तरह से मान्य करेंगे और किसी भी तरीके की दिक्कतें नहीं रहेंगी।
सीबीआई जांच के संदर्भ में
उन्होंने कहा कि एनटीए के खिलाफ हम पूरा एक्शन लेंगे और जो भी अगर कोई भी क्लू मिलता है हमको तो हम तुरंत ही एनटीए पे एक्शन लेंगे।
मंत्री जी की मुलाकात से खुश है, जो उन्होंने आश्वासन दिया?
हाँ बिल्कुल, उन्होंने आश्वासन दिया है कि आपको न्याय मिलेगा।
मैंने आपको भरोसा है कि जो होगा न्याय होगा?
हाँ बिल्कुल, न्याय होना चाहिए।
हमारा मुद्दा सबसे पहला मुद्दा था कि ये जो नीट का पेपर लीक हुआ है, सर ने बोला कि ये जो पेपर लीक हुआ है इसकी जांच होगी और जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहेगा कि इसके ऊपर सीबीआई जांच होगी तभी जांच बैठाई जाएगी और जो लोग इसमें इन्वॉल्व होंगे उनको कड़ी कार्रवाई दी जाएगी। दूसरा मेरा मुद्दा था सर, रजिस्ट्रेशन फीस जो है इस मेडिकल एंट्रेंस एनटीए जो है वो जेईई भी कराता है, इंजीनियरिंग एग्जाम और मेडिकल एग्जाम, बट उस एग्जाम की फीस कम है, हमारे एग्जाम की फीस काफी ज्यादा है। तो उन्होंने कहा इस चीज पर हम ध्यान देंगे और इस चीज को आगे से कम करने की कोशिश करेंगे।
लेकिन क्या मंत्री से जो मुलाकात
For the very latest, Sharon, there is just so much anger and frustration amongst the students, and justifiably so. Now, Dharmendra Pradhan and the government might say that the opposition is politicizing the matter, but the fact of the matter is that the Supreme Court has said that the sanctity of this entire examination has been hit, and most importantly, they have already issued notices to not just the centre, but even to NTA, who been saying all this while that all these allegations of a paper leak were false and baseless.
Well, that is right, and they have to, in fact, file a response on 8th of July. So we have to, of course, see how the NTA defend themselves when it comes to the kind of allegation that is coming in forth as far as the National Testing Agency is concerned. And the controversy surrounding the NTA regarding NEET could actually, jeopardize the image of NTA. And NTA before this has conducted mammoth tasks, mammoth exams when it comes to JEE, CUET, and now with such technical glitches and the paper leak allegation, it seems that NTA will have to defend themselves. NTA will have to come to the conclusion that what really went wrong when it comes to the NEET examination 2024. Now, just moments ago, the representatives of a few of the students who were gathered outside Dharmendra Pradhan's residence, 3 of them, in fact, met with the Education Minister. They have submitted a copy of the memorandum in which the demands they have been making is that re-examination of not just the 1,563 students, but re-examination within 30 to 45 days of all the students who appeared for the NEET examination. Apart from that, they also have been saying that there needs to be an urgent CBI inquiry on the manipulated NEET results and strict action against those who have been involved, be it the officials or individuals, whoever is involved in this. Those people need to be punished is what the demand is. And then they have been, in fact, asking for an enhanced transparency measures when it comes to the NEET examination to prevent any sort of tampering or manipulation. So this memorandum has, in fact, been submitted to the Education Minister, and the Education Minister has, in fact, assured them that the investigation is ongoing, and in case any such irregularities come into the fore, then they will be taking a strict action.
But isn't this a huge embarrassment for the National Testing Agency as well, Sharon? And also, the more and more one is getting to know about this case, and the Supreme Court's intervention clearly shows how there have been glaring lapses in executing this exam, whether it is wrong question papers being circulated in a few examination centers, as per the Education Minister, or for that matter, all these students getting a shocking 720 out of 720. These are, questions that need to be asked from NTA and also from the centre as well. Do the students feel now that justice will be awarded to them with the Supreme Court hearing this case?
Well, we have to see in when it comes to justice for students, what they're really demanding is a re-examination for all the students.
Yes.
That means 24 lakh people who appeared in the exam, 13 lakh out of the 24 lakh who qualified for the exam to give the exam. So a re-examination of these many students, conducting the examination again, doesn't seem to be the step that will be taken by anytime soon by the Education Ministry, because right now their focus is that the counselling session should not get delayed and the academic session after that should not get delayed, and that is why they have suggested that the re-examination of those 1,563 students should take place on 23rd June and the results should come out on 30th June, so that the scheduled counselling session go as planned.